Hello everyone, welcome back to the series. Here in this video, we are talking about the first Elixir program. Like we are writing our first Elixir program to this video. Before writing our first Elixir program, let me tell you what are the things that you need to install for running Elixir to your local machine. Okay, so firstly, you have to set up the Beam virtual machine. The Elixir runs on the top of the Erlang virtual machine. So firstly, you have to set up the Erlang first. So you just write the Erlang download and download the later version of the Erlang ODB. Okay. As per your operating system, you can find the Erlang source file. Okay. After that, you need to install the Elixir. You can just write Elixir download. There you can find the file and install it in your machine and set up the environment variables. Okay. So coming back to our main topic, like writing our first programming Elixir. You can write the Elixir programs in two ways to your local machines. You have installed the Elixir. Just if you have to check the version of the Elixir, the Elixir is properly installed to your computer or not, just write elixir-apple version and it will tell you the version of the Erlang. Here I have the 27 and also tell you the version of the Elixir. So you can write the programs to the Elixir by using two ways. Okay. The first way is that you can write the Elixir programs and test it in the interactive cell. Think it of like a terminal version of something it is just a shell which is mainly built which runs a process, and here you can test your code out. Okay, so it is also a useful feature of the Elixir. Okay, you can test your code to the interactive shell. And the another way of writing Elixir programs to the Elixir files, like I have created an Elixir file whose name is the 01 hello world program. Okay, you can also run it out there. Firstly, I am writing a code snippet to the interactive shell. Then I will tell you how to run and how the Elixir is being compiled from in the Erlang virtual machine. Okay, so like if we in this particular video, I am talking about how to print something at the terminal, hello world at the terminal. So there is a module named as IO module. Think it of module like a class. We have been discussed this in the introduction part too. I thought we have been discussed, but I am telling you one more time. Think it of the module something like a class, which has a bunch of functions respective to the model to the model. Okay, like if you are creating a module like math module, it would have the functions related to the mathematical operations. Okay. So here the IO stands for input and output. Input and output. We can take the input from these modules. There are some sort of functions which do tasks. There is a function whose name is puts, which put the text to the terminal. Okay, we will test it more something like we have discussed earlier to the function programming paradigm in the introduction video. I had tell you that every statement and function programming language returns something. There is a command who is also returning something. It's not returning something; it's just returning nil value. Okay. If I would like to create something have to print something. So I would tell you there is an IDEA module, and if we have to access the function inside it, we use the dot operator to this. And there is a function name. There is a function name puts, which takes a parameter, which takes here we are giving an argument to this string and just writing hello world. Okay, just close it with the parenthesis, and this is how. And this particular line prints out the hello world to the terminal window and also returns something like it returns an OK terminal. Okay, so let me run it. Yeah, so here we see the hello world at the screen and also the OK terminal. Okay, so this is how you can print out something to the terminal in the elixir way. Okay, now I would like to tell you how you can write the same program in the elixir file. Okay, there are two extensions in the elixirs, like the first one is that the ex, it is the elixir file, and there is also some other file which is the script. I would like to tell you it as hello world script.exs. You can also, if you wanted to create scripts, you can use this extension. Right now I'm just using the ex extension, and I'm telling you how do you compile this file. Okay. So here we have to write something like there is an IO module, and we have to write something like here IO is a module, input output module, and puts the function inside that module. So we gave a comment something like IOC input output module, input output module, and puts is the function inside it. Okay, and we are just passing some parameters like hello elixir. Okay, so how do you run this file? Okay, for running this file, I'm just opening my terminal. So my terminal. Okay, so just write elixir and the name of the file. What's the name of the file? 01.ex. Okay, so that's how the it's print out the hello elixir at the terminal. Okay, uh, the compilation of the file, the beam, by default it creates a bytecode. Like when we compile this file, it creates a bytecode. Like here we have a source code. The source code is firstly converted to a bytecode, just like we did in a Java virtual machine, whose extension is beam, which is further interpreted by the virtual machine, like the beam Erlang virtual machine, and that's how the file runs. Okay, so if it is further interpreted, and we get the display. Okay, yeah. I will tell you about this function, like how to do string interpolation in the next videos. So please like, share and subscribe my videos, and thank you for listening to me.